Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Open letter to the Alami Shura Tabligh, especially Hazrat Maulana Ibrahim Saab Damat Barakatuhum. I am an ordinary person living in Delhi, India. My entire family is connected to Darul Uloom Deoband and we specifically follow the fatwas of Hazrat Mufti Taqi Usmani. May Allah protect him. We never miss any of Hazrat's statements. I want to clarify that I have complete faith in Hazrat Mufti Taqi Usmani's statement that both the Shura and the leadership are correct and are working in the path of knowledge. Now I present this letter to all the members of the Alami Shura, particularly to Hazrat Maulana Ibrahim. May Allah protect him. Hazrat, first of all, I greet you with peace. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I hope that you are engaged in the work of spreading Islam. Since 2015, I have wished to meet you and spend hours discussing matters with you, but for some reason that meeting has not been possible. Now, I would like to ask you some questions and present a few requests. When you are working at the Global Center in Nizamuddin before 2015, you gave advice, made decisions, and ensured that all the activities were in line with Sharia. When you felt that matters were not heading in the right direction and that your advice was not being valued, you left the center and wrote that if some issues were accepted, you would return to Nizamuddin without delay. Now, I have a question. First question, did you achieve what you wanted by leaving the center? The answer is no. Second question, don't you think you could have better explained your stance to the Shura of Nizamuddin while staying at the center? By leaving, didn't you give the members of the center more freedom? Third, what benefit did you gain by creating a separate group? Did the Global Center in Nizamuddin accept your ideas? Don't you think that if you had stayed, you could have presented your stance more firmly? Fourth, may Allah grant you health and well-being. We all have to leave this world one day. After you, do you have confidence that the Shura will continue to function properly? Recently, it has been observed that in the Bangalore center, people are engaging in nothing but gossip. Fifth, was there no Shura in Nizamuddin? Weren't you a part of that Shura? Considering the current situation, wasn't it a correct proposal that each of the three countries have their own Shura and leader? Sixth, if Hazrat Maulana Saad, may Allah protect him, made a mistake, hasn't he corrected it? Isn't it true that many of Hazrat Maulana Saad's view can be found in the teachings of Hazrat Maulana Ilyas? May Allah have mercy on him. Seventh, one of the most important questions, what is being asked about which group at Darul Uloom Deoband? And isn't it true that the questions are always of the same nature? Whenever a question arises, it is the responsibility of Darul Uloom Deoband to respond. 8. Darul Uloom Deoband holds great significance worldwide. A person from Gujarat, Yusuf Wapi, continuously insults our elders from Darul Uloom Deoband, yet our elders like Hazrat Mufti Salman Mansoor Puri, may Allah protect him, only respond with prayers. Don't you think you should try to explain things to such people? This person hasn't even spared Pir Zulfiqar Naqshbandi, may Allah protect him. Ninth, the most important question, the purpose of which you left the Global Center in Nizamuddin, has the purpose been fulfilled? I and the whole world know that before you left, this movement was united. As soon as you left, two groups were formed and fights started breaking out in mosques. Who will bear the sin for that? 10th, Darul Uloom Deoband has a clear stance which aligns with Hazrat Mufti Taqi Usmani's view. May Allah protect him. These are righteous people and scholars on both sides. People are free to join whichever group they prefer for Tabligh. Darul Uloom has declared this as an administrative dispute. 11th, does the Shura have any disagreement with Muntakhab Ahadith, selected hadith? Isn't it true that its preface was written by Hazrat Maulana Ali Mia? May Allah have mercy on him. Isn't it also true that today's younger generation is more connected with authentic ahadith? And isn't it true that both books, Fazail Amal and Muntakhab Ahadith, are taught at the Global Center in Nizamuddin? From my personal experience, one book is taught at one time and the other at a different time. 12th, if Hazrat Maulana Saad, may Allah protect him, is wrong, what is your responsibility? Is your responsibility to form a new group and offer advice from the outside? Or is it to stay with Hazrat Maulana Saad and work with him, advising him from within? 13th, after you, if mistakes occur at the Global Center in Nizamuddin, who will be responsible? Perhaps your presence and authority could have prevented such errors. How will they be prevented in your absence? 14th, isn't it true that since 1995, Hazrat Maulana Saad, may Allah protect him, has played a key role in major decisions and you signed off on them? 15th, isn't it also true that you once considered Hazrat Maulana Saad, may Allah protect him, a scholar? Hazrat Ji Inamul Hasan, may Allah have mercy on him, included Hazrat Maulana Saad, may Allah protect him, in the Shura at a very young age. But you and Hazrat Maulana Ahmad Lard were not included in that Shura. Is that not true? 16th, today unity is being emphasized worldwide. Scholars are being brought onto one platform, even Barelvi and Deobandi scholars. Isn't it possible that the members of the Global Shura continue their work quietly without issuing fatwas if they do not wish to return to Nizamuddin? And most importantly, stop raising questions about Darul Uloom Deoband. Note: if anyone close to Hazrat Maulana Ibrahim, may Allah protect him, can deliver or read this letter to him, please do so. I pray day and night that Allah grants you health and safety. Sincerely, Kashif Abdullah, New Delhi.